So today's video is going to be very special for you, my friend, because today I'm going to talk about Redmi handset. Many complaints are coming in the comment section on Redmi. So today's video is only for the Redmi, which is very well. So you just follow with us and unlock your phone. You just have to watch this video till the end without a skip. Then you can understand this whole process and you can unlock any Android phone. So let's start the process. So as you can see that the handset that I have is pin locked, and you will see below it that an emergency call will also be visible here. You have to press on it. So the process that is being used here is called offline method, my friend, and none of your application and data will be deleted in this video. So one thing you have to take care that your phone should be in flight mode, and also note that your battery percentage minimum 40 to 50, above 30 to 50, above 30% you have to at least, because your main application and data not be deleted through this. Uh, if you going to process, then you can, your data or application will be safe. So I'm going to share you some separate code, and this code is a star 968005 a star 556 and hash 556 and hash. If you want to take a screenshot, then you can take a screenshot. If you want to note down this code, because this code is very important and this is the main important message, friend. What I am telling in the code may support in many handset but may not support in many handset. Then if you are not able to unlock through this code, just comments in my channel. I will share you some code. I just, you have to share what is your handset, which handset you have. Just share on comment section. Apply here call button, and you can see pop-up message is coming here. Call failed option. Ignore this message. Again, last you have to press call button and erase this number and apply a star hash 899 and hash. This is the most important process, because without this code we cannot do anything. So now you can see engineer mode page is activated. So first we have to check on manual test, and second row device debugging page, and go with the gyroscope test and gyroscope self test, and press here a start button. Now you can see testing is during the test. Please keep your friend. Now here minimum 3 times you have to start, and again come back from this option, proximity sensor test, and you can see the next step, proximity calibration. You have to press here and confirm here. Again we have to check and sensor self test and calibration, and press the both option the same time without a skip. We have to wait for test pass here. At least one option have to pass. Press here the same time. Wait till passed. Again we have to try. Then we can process for next. Gyroscope and accelerometer both are not started. Operation is failed. Again we have to press. Again we have to press on sensor test calibration. Now you can see gyroscope is passed. We will take next step and go with the last others option, and you can see database version, mainboard version, whatever it is. So press here 7 times fastly. Next we have to press on rewrite important log test, confirm here, and you can see wrong password is coming. So now it's done. After completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not, we have to check, and we have to press the home button, and we will see our phone, whether our phone is locked or not. As you can see, As you can see, my friend, our phone is unlocked without any loss of any application or data. So I hope you guys you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.